This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sandra Bolas. This home has a lovely open floor plan, and is only 3 years old. All bedrooms and baths are on the main level with a bonus/craft room up. There is engineered hardwood in the main living areas, bedrooms have carpet and bathrooms are tile. The kitchen has an enormous center island, with a separate pantry area and wet bar, and so much storage. Your view from the screened patio is wooded and private and you feel like you are in a tree house. The property behind the home consists of 23 acres of green space. The owners have an Aqua Clear water filtration system that conveys with the home as well as the newer refrigerator and washer and dryer. This is a super location minutes away from all things in the Farragut and Turkey Creek shopping area. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Bolas at 865-966-1111.